Would you be interested in a product that will enhance your design in terms of space, time and cost? What about an assembly line where people can work safely and quickly, carrying out problem-free and quality-assured operations? Do you wish that leakage and premature hose failures were yesterday's problems and that costly warranty claims were a thing of the past? This is WEO, a smart plug-in solution from CEJN. Offering extensive problem-solving features and cost savings, the self-aligning WEO enables quick and safe hydraulic hose kit assembly without any tools. WEO is available in 3 different versions: coupling, cartridge and swivel. The WEO coupling can easily be integrated into your existing manifold design. Are you looking for a more compact solution? WEO cartridge is the core of the design, which can be fully integrated into your product. For applications requiring full rotational flexibility at maximum working pressure, use our WEO swivel. If you use screw connect fittings today, you may be familiar with these problems. On the assembly line, torque settings must be correct. If they're not, the risk is leakage and wasted time. Screw fittings create embedded tension in the hoses that dramatically reduce their lifetime, leading to claims and repair costs. Imagine skipping all this. With WEO, you just plug in. There's no need for calculations, tools, torquing or well-trained personnel. The nipple is connected to the coupling by simply plugging in. The nipple is securely locked with unique WEO locking hooks. Using a screwdriver, remove the assembly stop. Push the nipple all the way in and then pull it firmly out. So let's take a look on 3 applications where WEO products are the best solution. With this application, safety is the major focus. In the confined space between chassis and cabin, the operators have to carry out hose connection with a heavy cabin hovering over their head, a very exposed situation. Users of screw connect fittings always have the challenge of achieving correct torque. Imagine performing this task with no room at all for tools. With WEO, you can work quickly and avoid leakage problems, since all you have to do is plug in. We're always on the lookout for smarter solutions. With its minimal space requirements, the WEO cartridge allows designers to design new compact hydraulic systems. When incorporating this compact cartridge into your design, you can minimize the footprint of the final design by reducing the space between the ports. This means less material required and reduced costs. Again, since our fittings simply plug in, you don't have to worry about hand tool clearance. When it comes to applications with extreme hose movement, the obvious solution is the WEO swivel. The truck-mounted crane causes the hoses in the valve blocks to twist and rotate in a way that causes them to wear out. When using the WEO swivel, the hoses can move freely and self-align, with 360-degree rotation under full working pressure. The result is longer hose service life. CEJN has an automated production line for WEO, with a number of vision cameras and test stations guaranteeing a quality-assured product. This has enabled CEJN to be a certified supplier for several OEM customers. We have developed special forecasting routines for WEO, with direct contact with our OEM customers that helps us keep track of production and deliveries. This makes us flexible, and we can quickly readjust to new quantities and deadlines. See us as your business partner. We invite you for a discussion on how to achieve smarter solutions and better efficiency.